Hello and welcome back, Better Health community. Today we'll discover the simple and natural way to flush toxins out of your body. In this video, we'll reveal the 3 easy steps to detox your body and feel refreshed, revitalized, and full of energy. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system, learn how to naturally eliminate toxins and promote overall health and wellness. Get ready to say goodbye to toxins and hello to a healthier you. As always, before we flesh out the details, take a moment to click the like button. Join our health seeker movement and subscribe. You'll get free weekly health and wellness content, workout routines, superfoods and more. Thank you for your support. Today, we're gonna talk about something super important for our overall wellness: natural detoxification. With the world we live in, it's pretty much impossible to avoid toxins, but what we can do is take control of how we respond to them. Our daily lives are filled with toxins, from the air we breathe to the food we eat, the products we use, and even the thoughts we think. Heavy metals, pesticides, pollutants, and chemicals are everywhere, and they can wreak havoc on our health and well-being. These toxins can slow us down, make us feel sluggish, and even lead to serious health issues if we don't take care of ourselves. We're exposed to toxins through the food we eat, especially when we consume processed and packaged foods, which are often loaded with preservatives and artificial ingredients. We're also exposed to toxins through the products we use on our skin and hair, many of which contain harsh chemicals that can seep into our pores and cause damage. And let's not forget about the air we breathe, which is often filled with pollutants from cars, factories, and other sources. So, how can we protect ourselves from these toxins? The good news is that our bodies have a natural ability to detoxify, and with a few simple steps, we can support this process and flush out toxins naturally. Here are the 3 easy steps to detoxify your body naturally. First, drink plenty of water and herbal teas to help your body flush out toxins. Second, eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are packed with antioxidants and fiber that can help remove toxins from your body. And third, get moving and sweat regularly to stimulate your lymphatic system and get those toxins out. Let's dive a bit deeper into the second step, which is eating a detoxifying diet. When we eat foods that are rich in antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, and other fruits and veggies, we're giving our bodies the tools they need to fight off toxins and repair damaged cells. And when we eat foods that are high in fiber, like whole grains, legumes, and fruits, we're helping our bodies move toxins out of our systems more quickly. The most impactful step of these 3 is probably the third one: getting moving and sweating regularly. When we exercise, we stimulate our lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from our bodies. This can be as simple as taking a 30-minute walk each day or doing a few jumping jacks during commercial breaks. The key is to get your heart rate up and your sweat glands working. By incorporating these 3 easy steps into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your health and well-being. You'll start to feel more energized, more focused, and more confident in your own skin. And the best part is, it's easy to do. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you have any detox tips or tricks that have worked for you, be sure to share them in the comments below. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.